Hey there, I'm Lennon Brazil from Evolving Table, and maybe you're like me. You grew up in the South eating quick meals that sure were tasty, but weren't always that healthy for you. So now you think you either need to sacrifice time or taste in order to make a nutritious meal. And then your family may not even like it. After over 6 years of running my food blog, testing and perfecting healthier spins on classic recipes, I am here to tell you that it is possible to make mouth-watering recipes that aren't that complicated. Nope. No weird ingredients or hours slaving away over a stove. And yes, your family will not only devour them, but then will be raving about your new cooking skills. That's why I started this channel, to teach you how to make doable and delicious meals that are also healthy for you. You'll find a new video here every Thursday that will teach you how to do exactly that. So go ahead and click that big red button you see to subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.